Namaste, welcome to #life. Finally, I'm back and I hope you all are doing great as always. Please accept my apologies for this delay. And those of you who want to know where I have been and why is this delay, then please check the comment section, because if I start talking, this video will be super long. This video really does need a preface. In this video, I have tried to share something extra, a little more than just a normal daily cleaning routine for working women. What we are going to watch in today's video, that's not something a fixed schedule to follow. It's a bit a different approach. I would be happy if this video can be used as a guideline to improve our cleaning schedule. I have discussed with few of my friends and family members who are already working ladies to understand the different needs and different lifestyle of each family. And from there, I have gathered few tips how they try to maintain a clean home on daily basis with a 9 to 5 schedule and strike a balance between work and home life. And before we start, I would like to remind you, if you love our content, then don't forget to subscribe to #life, and you can find us on Instagram or Facebook to watch more videos, more pictures and life updates. So let's get started. We all have different office timing, varied professions as a teacher, professor, IT professionals or medical practitioner, and even work from home. Day shift, night shift, you just name it. Our schedules are different from each other. Some of us have a flexible timing in the morning and some of us have little more time in the evening. So don't inherit someone else's cleaning time. Chalk out your own according to your job schedule or office timings. For example, let me share what works for me. I usually work from home, so sometimes I do my chores in between my work time. Of course, not every day, but those days when I need to write script or do research work, mostly on my editing days. This requires longer hours of sitting. As we all know, we should not sit for a long time because longer hours of sitting increase stress and depression. I take short break like 5 to 10 minutes and try to accomplish few chores from my daily cleaning routine, like dust something off, a very quick dusting, or rearrange cabinets or put away laundry. Like that, we can find what works best for us in terms of keeping up with our daily cleaning routine. Probably you will feel more energetic once everyone fall asleep at home, so you can definitely go for a after dark kind of a cleaning schedule. Again, I'm emphasizing chalk out your own cleaning time to get things done without much hassle. As I have already mentioned the point of having our own cleaning time, it is rather more important to identify when you have an active mind and body to get those everyday work done. I feel active just right after I get up in the morning. I try to complete most of my daily tasks during that time. While I was discussing with my Didi about her approach towards daily cleaning routine, I get to know that she always prefers cleaning the kitchen countertops at night. In the morning, after making lunch and breakfast, she wipes the kitchen countertop in Ziffy. Once back from school, she does 90% of her daily chores. She puts away clothes, groceries, etc. because she feels very active in the evening post a little rest at home. For each one of us, it is very important to understand our body and mind before we make our daily cleaning routine. Many of us probably not a believer of writing down daily chores. All I can say, listing out all the work on a paper gives you a very clear picture of what needs to be done on a daily basis. Here you can see all the listed work which we as a family need to do on daily basis and can set our priorities. In the morning, I try to manage all these works. Start a load of laundry, make the beds and surface clean study area, surface clean the living room and wash basin area, quick clean kitchen, quick clean bathroom. I use this list as a reminder or guide to check if I forgot to do something or I need to add any new chore or even remove anything which is not required as a daily cleaning habit. Daily cleaning habit as a working woman, I will definitely recommend start or end your day with a load of laundry. We all struggle with laundry, isn't it? It's a continuous process of wash, hang, fold, repeat. But from my 9 years of homemaking, I can assure if you run a load every day, then struggle will be much less. However, if you have different office timing, then be flexible. Our goal is to run a load every day. Either you start a load in the morning or you end the day by doing a load at night. Just get it done. Make it a priority to stay on top of your daily cleaning routine. In the evening, I have these daily chores. Fold laundry, empty dish holder, wash my daughter's lunch box, clean kitchen and take out trash, 10 minutes tidy up, fill up water bottles. All this work, what I do is fixed everyday work. I try to do them without a mess to maintain fair enough clean and tidy home. Like this way you can also make your own list and handle that with a dedication. I know it is tough to find dedication towards cleaning, but once found it really goes a long way of becoming a habit. Getting done is always preferable than doing it with perfection, especially when you have limited time. I have trained my mind to look things as they are nicely made, not perfectly done. Perfection seeks time and energy, and since we all have limited time, let's focus more on the satisfaction of having the dedication towards getting things done, rather do it in a perfect way. Welcome a mess here and there, don't let it bother you much. What we don't have in common is lifestyle. Let me share few examples here, please don't skip this part. Like some of us are living in a joint family, some of us with just husband and kids. There is someone in the family who is not well and we need to take care of them along with our 9 to 5 job. We ourselves could have several health issues. Probably some of us get help from our family members and sometimes we don't have any help from the family members. The point here is we all have different situations, circumstances and problems in our life. Now, what we all have in common? We all have 24 hours and we need to adjust our life within this time. So just do what is possible in that time frame. Do not stretch unnecessarily, which can cause trouble in mind and body. When we are going outside for job, for sure we are going to fall short on time as we all have 24 hours in a day. We simply require more helping hand at our home. If our family members are unable to help us, then we can hire help or invest in technology to ease our work. There is no shame in admitting that we cannot manage everything just by ourselves. We might have a will to do, but there are limitations which should be accepted and acknowledged, foremost by us, then by our family members. I had help for mopping and cleaning dishes from the very beginning, but once I had major surgery, my health condition degraded, I was left with no option but to hire a cook. Rest of the work we manage as a family. We both are working, having a daughter, she needs help in studies and whatnot. So it is a blessing for us to have those extra hands to make our life better. We are so thankful to them. On a side note, if you are in a job, don't hesitate to create another job for someone else to help you as well as to help the society. Of course, if you and your family members like the idea, discuss and then decide. We have a 9 to 5 job and many days are there when we have many unavoidable issues to handle. It could be professional or personal, and those days we clearly miss our cleaning schedules. Over the time, I adopted a habit: clean it as you see it. No specific time or schedule is required for that. If you even have 2 minutes, you can easily clean one messy cabinet or drawer. It only needs an urge to maintain a clean home. Try this tip. Clean it as you see it. I am sure you will see a tiny bit of more cleanliness in your home. I literally don't want to be a superwoman or a super mom, as I'm well aware about my capabilities. I have accepted and acknowledged my limitations. Don't forget to like the video if in any way it helps you to sort out your own cleaning schedule. I shared this daily cleaning routine for working women video to encourage us, and tried to show you a real picture how I get everything done, if not every day, but for most of the day. As the primary goal of our life is to enjoy life and make it more meaningful. Subscribe to homehashtag_life for more videos, and find us on Instagram and Facebook for more pictures and life updates. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.